What if the secret to a longer, healthier life isn't in the gym, but in your daily routine? A groundbreaking study from the University of Sydney reveals that just 1.1 minutes of vigorous activity per day, split into tiny bursts, could significantly reduce your risk of early death. This isn't about marathon workouts or expensive memberships. It's about redefining how we think about movement in our everyday lives. But here's where it gets controversial. The researchers focused on what they call vigorous intermittent lifestyle physical activity, VILPA, those spontaneous, intense efforts we often overlook. Picture sprinting to catch a bus, power walking up a steep hill, or hauling groceries up a flight of stairs. These 10-second energy surges, repeated 5 to 6 times daily, could pack the same health punch as structured exercise, even for people who struggle to carve out time for traditional workouts. The study, which tracked over 6,000 Americans using wrist accelerometers, found that participants who accumulated just 1.1 minutes of VILPA daily had a 39% lower risk of death compared to those who did none. And the benefits spiked dramatically for people who went from zero to a little activity. It's like applying the principles of high-intensity interval training to your daily grind, explains lead researcher Emmanuel Stamatakis. You don't need a trainer or a treadmill, just a willingness to move with purpose. And this is the part most people miss. The study's results don't prove causation. Correlation doesn't equal a magic cure, but the data is compelling enough to warrant a shift in public health messaging. For example, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that only 25% of adults meet current exercise guidelines. If VILPA works, it could bridge that gap for millions who find structured workouts impractical or unappealing. Let's break it down. The research team analyzed data from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, NHANES, which uses wearable sensors to track movement in 10-second intervals. This tech revolutionized the study as older surveys missed these fleeting bursts of effort. The team discovered that most VILPA episodes lasted just 10 seconds, perfect for busy schedules. Even better, the health benefits plateaued after about 8 daily bursts, meaning quality matters more than quantity. How does this stack up against other studies? A 2023 UK Biobank analysis found that 4.4 minutes of daily VILPA lowered cancer, heart, and overall mortality risks. The U.S. study's lower threshold, 1.1 minutes, might reflect differences in population health or fitness levels. But the message is clear. Even small efforts matter. For cancer prevention specifically, moving from 0 to 4.5 minutes of VILPA per day showed the steepest risk reduction, another win for the little but often approach. Still, skeptics might ask, can a 10-second sprint to the mailbox really impact health? The answer lies in how our bodies respond to short, intense efforts. These microbursts spike heart rate and oxygen consumption, triggering metabolic processes linked to longevity. Think of them as micro-workouts that train your body to adapt and thrive. And for those who dislike gyms, this approach removes barriers like time, cost, or equipment. So, what's next? Future trials could test if nudges, like prompting people to sprint during chores or take the stairs, actually improve health markers. But until then, Stamatakis urges public health officials to embrace VILPA as a cost-free, scalable strategy. After all, if ongoing research confirms cause and effect, these tiny efforts could become the new standard for fitness. The full study is available on medRxiv, and the implications are already sparking debate. Do you think short bursts of activity are enough to replace traditional exercise? Or should we still prioritize structured workouts for maximum health benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our newsletter for more insights like this. Plus, download the EarthSnap app to track your own movement patterns and see how you measure up.